Gorgeous brand new 2-story coastal-style home in Bella Vista Subdivision, convenient to everything. Open 5-bedroom 4.5 bath floor plan home with quartz countertops throughout and unique custom high-end features. Gold Level Fortified construction, saving up to 50% on owner insurance. Custom tile throughout. Large open living room west/20 feet, custom tongue and groove ceilings open to the upstairs. Large downstairs master bedroom. Master bath with dual vanities and spacious shower and jetted tub. 9 feet ceilings and crown molding on entire first floor. All walls and ceilings are smooth finish with rounded corners. Hardi-plank cement board exterior siding. 2-car garage. Metal roof. 2 covered rear porches with outdoor kitchen including granite counters. Fenced yard with automatic sprinkler system. Located on a cul-de-sac, only minutes to beaches, shopping, golf, fishing, etc. Easy access to Highway 50.